Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share with you how to unlink your Instagram account from Facebook. So in this case you have to go to Facebook first. Click on 3 dash icon which is top right corner with your profile picture. Now scroll down and you will find bottom line settings and privacy. Click on this. Go to settings which is very top one. Now you can see here Meta account center. Click on this box. Now you can see your profile here. Click on profile. Sorry. Now you can see your profile. Click on this again. Scroll a bit and you will find two accounts which is Facebook and Instagram. Click on the bottom one, Instagram one. You can see here sync profile info which is already enabled with blue button. Click on this blue button to disable it. Now you can see here stop syncing. If you click on stop syncing, your profile will be unlinked from Facebook. So if you post something on your Instagram account, your Facebook will not automatically import it on its timeline. Okay, so this is how you can unlink Instagram account from Facebook. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.